Filet de cicada.
Yep.
What do you got? It's a pretty good fish.
Nice fish. I mean, a nice one. Nice bobo. Look at that boy. Woo.
Bobo.
Bobo.
Beautiful bow.
Happy bobo. He's happy.
I don't mind a little hooking like that.
That's a fat bobo.